What if I told you that tonight, while you sleep, you could begin the process of manifesting a specific person into your life, whether it's rekindling an old flame, deepening a connection, or drawing someone new into your life? The pillow method is a gentle yet incredibly powerful technique that taps into your subconscious mind to align your reality with your desires. Hi, and welcome back to our channel where we delve into Neville Goddard's timeless teachings and the transformative power of the law of attraction. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of the pillow method, a simple, effective practice that you can use tonight to manifest a specific person into your life. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of how this method works, why it's so powerful, and how you can use it to accelerate your manifestation journey. Plus, if you stay until the end, I'll share a bonus tip that can supercharge your results and make the process even more seamless. Before that, I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to transform your life and manifest your dreams? Our exclusive Positive Affirmations ebook bundle is your all-in-one solution to help you unlock your full potential, cultivate self-love, gratitude, and mindfulness, and achieve your personal goals with confidence and clarity. For a limited time, the first 25 people can grab this incredible bundle for just $12.99. That's nearly 50% off its regular price of $24.99. This bundle is packed with immense value, carefully designed to deliver real results and guide you step by step toward the life you deserve. You'll receive the powerful Affirmations ebook to guide your transformation journey, along with a collection of transformational tools, guided journals, daily prompts, and proven techniques designed to amplify your results and keep you aligned with your goals every day. Here's what's waiting for you: tools to master self-compassion, gratitude and mindfulness, daily guidance for manifestation and overcoming negative thoughts, and strategies to build a growth mindset and attract positivity into your life. Whether you're just starting your personal development journey or looking to take your practice to the next level, this bundle has everything you need to succeed. The products in this bundle have been thoughtfully curated and designed to ensure you get the best results on your journey. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself at this exclusive price. Remember, this special offer is only available to the first 25 people. After that, the bundle will return to its normal price. So grab your bundle today. I will mention the link in the description. Take the first step towards becoming your best self. So back to the topic, get comfortable, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into this transformative practice. The pillow method is rooted in Neville Goddard's teaching that your imagination is the creative force behind your reality. Neville often said, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and continue in that assumption until it hardens into fact. This method works because it helps you plant the seed of your desire in your subconscious mind while you're in the most receptive state, right before you sleep. Here's how it works. Tonight, before you go to bed, you're going to write down a simple statement that reflects your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. This statement should be clear, positive, and emotionally charged. For example, if you're manifesting a specific person, you might write something like, I'm so happy and grateful now that my SP and I are in a loving, harmonious relationship. As you write this, take a moment to connect with the emotions behind the words. Feel the joy, love, and gratitude as if it's happening right now. This step is crucial because the energy you infuse into your intention is what gives it momentum. Once you've written your statement, fold the paper neatly and place it under your pillow. This is more than just a symbolic gesture. It's a way to align your subconscious mind with your desire. Every time you lie down to sleep, the energy of your intention will resonate within you, subtly but powerfully influencing your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Now, as you lay down to sleep, take a few deep breaths to relax your body and quiet your mind. This is your time to connect deeply with your desire. Close your eyes and begin to imagine what it feels like to have your wish fulfilled. If you're manifesting love, picture yourself spending time with your specific person. See their smile, hear their voice, and feel the warmth of their presence. The goal here isn't to visualize every tiny detail, but to evoke the emotions of already having what you desire. How would you feel waking up next to them? How does it feel to know they love and adore you? Let these feelings wash over you like a warm embrace. Neville called this state the state akin to sleep. It's the in-between space where your conscious mind begins to quiet down and your subconscious becomes more open to suggestion. By immersing yourself in the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're effectively impressing your desire onto your subconscious, where it can begin to take root and manifest in your external reality. Now, let's talk about why the pillow method is so effective. Your subconscious mind is most impressionable during the moments just before you fall asleep. This is why it's so important to go to bed in a state of positivity and gratitude. When you place your intention under your pillow and fall asleep feeling as though your wish is already fulfilled, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious that this is your new reality. Neville often emphasized the importance of persistence. He said, "Don't condition your desire. Just assume it is done and let it be fulfilled in its own way." This means you don't need to worry about how or when your manifestation will happen. Your job is simply to assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and trust that the universe is aligning the pieces behind the scenes. Let me share a quick story to illustrate this. A friend of mine used the pillow method to manifest a text from someone she hadn't spoken to in months. Each night she would write, "I'm so happy and excited to hear from my SP," and place it under her pillow. She would fall asleep imagining herself reading a kind, heartfelt message from this person, feeling the joy and excitement as if it had already happened. Within 3 nights, she woke up to an unexpected text that was almost identical to what she had envisioned. She was amazed at how quickly it happened. But the truth is, this isn't magic. It's the natural result of aligning your subconscious mind with your desires. So what happens if doubts creep in? Maybe you're thinking, what if this doesn't work for me? It's completely normal to have doubts, especially if this concept is new to you. But remember, your subconscious mind takes direction from your dominant thoughts and feelings. If you persist in the assumption of your wish fulfilled, those doubts will begin to fade, and you'll start to see evidence of your manifestation unfolding. If you find it hard to stay in a positive state, try incorporating a gratitude practice into your nightly routine. Before you do the pillow method, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful way to shift your energy and open yourself up to receiving. Now, here's the bonus tip I promised you. To amplify the power of the pillow method, pair it with an affirmation that you can repeat as you drift off to sleep. Something simple yet effective like, "I am loved, I am chosen, I am enough." This affirmation reinforces your belief in your worthiness and helps to dissolve any lingering resistance. Remember, manifestation isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning your inner world with the reality you want to create. Neville said it best, the world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within yourself. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the love, joy, and abundance you desire, the world has no choice but to reflect it back to you. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, give yourself permission to dream boldly. Write down your intention, place it under your pillow, and fall asleep in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Trust that the universe is working tirelessly to bring your desires to life. If you're ready to try the pillow method, let me know in the comments what you're manifesting. I'd love to hear your stories and support you on this journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more transformative teachings. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams. Remember, the power to manifest is already within you. All you have to do is trust, believe, and let it unfold. I'll see you in the next video.